Hey people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gustavo and I want to share with you something that I noticed today. So I'm trying to create some content for YouTube, but today I noticed this inspiration tab that it's really cool for discuss a topic and create ideas for our content. So if I'm going to write ideas for drop shipping, in an example, drop shipping. So what we're going to have, let's click create ideas, and then we're going to have different ideas for us. That's simple. Let's see this one. We're going to have the outline, we're going to have the titles, we have the thumbnails. But well, I don't like a lot these thumbnails, but anyway, maybe the titles and the outline is going to help us a little bit. In example, dropshipping nice niche reveal high demand, the tech gadgets for dropshipping success. So that's really cool, and we have different. We have five ideas. Dropshipping with a personal touch. Dropshipping with heart in the title. So it's really cool. If try this function and write to me on the comment. Write to me in the comment if do you think that it's going to help to you or not, or is interesting for you or not. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next video. Thank you.